Hi, guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. Today, we are going to be making cheesy stuffed mushrooms with a little bit of bacon on the top, bacon crumble on the top. Now, you can always add the bacon to the actual filling. Sorry, but he's attached to Mama lately. You can always add the bacon to the filling. I don't like to do that because I find that it's not crispy anymore, and there's nothing worse to me than like soggy bacon. So I only do the top, but it's perfect. It's like the perfect salty finish, I guess. So I'm so excited to share it with you. Let's get started.
Occasionally, I need to breathe.